Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Gala games whose current price stands at the $0.01965 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 6.39%. and in this video I want to give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and the Fibonacci's. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Gala games chart. Gala games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice impulsive movement taking us to an all-time high at around the $0.85 mark, and in that movement to the upside I'm terming it as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective structure, which is right here, which has now taken us back to around the $0.19 mark in a movement that I've been terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2 is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3 before we see that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliot wave structure that I have right here, and first give you a measure from the all-time high. From the all-time high you can see that Gala games is down more than 97%, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 and also the low for the bear market low, and very soon I'm expecting a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature I'll be expecting to see fractal waves in formation within that higher Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 of that fractal wave completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $1.37 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do. Then expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. So that is my long-term scenario that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart. And also getting a little bit technical on the Elliot wave structure that we have right here, you can see that Gala games has made a low at around the $0.019 mark, and the chart that I'm using here on the BINANCE chart, the chart started at around the $0.02 mark, meaning here on the Binance chart we have lost a key significant area of support at around the $0.02 mark and made a new low at around the $0.019 mark. But that doesn't mean that Gala games might be dead. That doesn't mean so, and there are chances of still getting that recovery to the upside. And for that to happen, we also expect to see a very nice impulsive movement for us to say that we are in the recovery of Gala games, for us to say that we're in the recovery phase here on the Gala games chart. And also giving you a measure using the Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low down there at around the $0.02 mark, and then connecting it from to the all-time high. You can see that Gala games also lost a key area on the Fibonacci at around the 0.88 fib level, and for us to regain our impulsive nature we also need to manage to break above the fib level 0.88 fib level, which perfectly lies at around the $0.12 mark. And that is my long-term scenario that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Gala games chart. Here on the 4-hour chart you can see that before we made our low we had been trading within this channel, and we managed to break out of the channel to the lower side. And once we saw the breakout, we even saw a retest of the lower side of the channel in this movement right here, then lost the 20-day MA after seeing the retest, and we have continued pushing even lower, making new lows at around the $0.019 mark, and that is also after losing the key area of support at around the $0.02 mark. And that is what has been happening here on the 4-hour chart. And jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis so that I can also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after making our low at around the $0.017 mark, we have been seeing a very nice bounce to the upside in a movement that has managed to break above the 20-day MA, and that means here on the 1-hour chart the 20-day MA it's now acting as support to support any movements further to the upside, and there are chances that this might be the low for the bear market low, and also the low for that higher Elliott wave count too. And having that in mind, I'm expecting a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliott wave structures, having that impulsive movement to the upside as the formation of that wave 1, then expect a wave 2, then a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliott wave count 1 here on the 1 hour chart, which is a fractal wave within that higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upside. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Once we see the confirmation of that impulsive nature in the formation of that first wave to the upside, I'll keep you updated on such scenarios. So for now, let's be patient and see how Gala Games tries to recover to the upside and also tries to regain its impulsive nature in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upside. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 53 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upside. Also taking a look at the MACD. Here on the MACD, we have printed a bullish cross, and we are also seeing an increase in the buying momentum, meaning higher prices will be supported and any impulsive nature will be supported on the indicators. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.